Okay, so let's get down to the basics. Today we'll be looking at how we can go about using the digital sticky notes, or some of you guys would call it the post-it notes, on your Windows computer or laptop. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so where can we go about finding for this sticky notes app? Now if you look at the bottom left hand side on your desktop, you'll be able to see a search bar. Okay, put your cursor and click on the search bar and type in sticky notes. So the sticky notes app will appear as such, so double click on the sticky notes to open up your sticky notes app. Okay, so two windows of the sticky note will pop up as such. So if you look at it, this will be the sticky note itself, and this will be the notes list. I'll go through the notes list part later on. We'll focus on the sticky note as of now, so I'll close the notes list window. And to move the sticky note around, all you have to do is click on the top section of your sticky note, hold onto your mouse and drag it wherever you want to drag it. When you let go, it kind of sticks onto wherever you have placed your sticky note on your desktop. So what I'll do is I'll put it here as such, and I'll click on the sticky note, alright, the body section of the sticky note, to start typing in my notes into the sticky note. So yeah, I'll go ahead and type in whatever notes I want to put inside my sticky note. Okay, so now after you have typed in, you can actually go about customizing these sentences. So what you have to do is to click, hold on your mouse, drag, highlight your sentence as such, let go, and then you can play around with the customization by the bottom. You can bold your text. If you don't like it, you can click, hold, drag, right, and then let go, and you can unbold it by clicking on the same option again. So like that, you can do various customization. You can underline your text. So click on the underline option and your text will be underlined. If you don't like it, do the same thing again and click on the underline option again to reverse the action. So similarly, you can also strike out whatever notes or whatever tasks you've already done. So I can strike it out as such. Say I want to remove it, instead of striking it out, I'll do the same. So I'll click, hold, drag, and then click on the backspace on my keyboard to remove it. If I want to reverse the action, I'll click on Ctrl Z on my keyboard to bring that whatever I've deleted back into the sticky note. So yeah, so those are the various options you can go about doing. Okay, then there's also the bullet point option. So you can include bullet points to your sentences or your text by clicking on the option. And to move on to the next line on your sticky note, all you have to do is click on the enter key on your keyboard, and once you have done that, you can start typing in. So yeah, just go ahead and play around and explore the various customization options that the sticky note provides you with. It also allows you to add an image. I'll go through that later. So now let's say you want to change the color of your sticky note. All you have to do is to click on the three dots icon at the top of your sticky note, and then all the different colors will be displayed as such, and all you have to do is to click on it to change the color of your sticky note. Okay, so now, like I said just now, all you have to do is to click at the top of your sticky note, hold and drag it anywhere on your desktop to stick it wherever you want to stick it to on your desktop. Okay, now to adjust the size of your sticky note, put your cursor at the edge of your sticky note, and you'll see your cursor changing to a double-edged arrow. Okay, once that happens, click and drag your sticky note as wide or as narrow as you want your sticky note to be. It's up to you in this case. Similarly, you can do it for the bottom. You can make your sticky note as long or as short you want your sticky note to be, and yeah, so you can just play around with those options as well. Okay, so now moving on, let's say I want to create a new sticky note. Alright, so what I can do, or what I will do, is towards the top of your current sticky note, you'll see this plus sign. Click on it to open up a new sticky note. Okay, so you can adjust the dimensions accordingly to whatever you wish to adjust it to. So now let's say I type in something into a sticky note. Another thing that I wanted to let you guys know is you can apply more than one customization to a single text or sentence. Like what I'm doing over here, I've applied the bold option as well as the underline option to it. So now let's say I want to copy and paste something from the website. I'll head to my website, I'll head towards the content, I'll click and hold and drag my mouse mouse across the content that I'm looking to copy and paste. So you can see whatever you selected will be highlighted in blue. So I'm doing it again for you guys to see. Once I'm done, then I'll let go of my mouse. I'll click on Ctrl C on my keyboard. I'll head towards my sticky note, click on my sticky note and click Ctrl V to paste my content on my sticky note. Okay, so now I'll go ahead to adjust the content. So to add spaces in between text or sentence, click on the enter key. To remove spaces, click on the backspace key. And you can go ahead to customize the text and the sentences on your sticky note. Okay, so now let's see how we can go about adding an image to a sticky note. So for that, first I'll create a sticky note, and so far what we have looked at is how we can go about typing into a sticky note, how we can copy and paste content from other platforms into a sticky note, and now we'll look at how we can go about adding an image to a sticky note. Okay, so for that I'll need an image. So what I'll do is I'll head to a website, I'll snip the content and I'll save it as an image on my desktop. So I do have a tutorial that I did previously, which is a step-by-step guide that shows you guys how you all can go about snipping content from a website or any other platforms on your desktop. So if you're interested, do check out my previous video on that. So what I'll do here is I'll save that snip content now on my desktop as an image. Alright, so now you can see the image is saved on my desktop. So what I'll do is head to the sticky note, I'll click on the add image icon on my sticky note and I'll open up my saved image from there. Okay, so I'll double click to open up the image and now you can see the image on my sticky note. So but you'll realize the content of the image is not fully visible because of the dimensions of the sticky note. So I'll go ahead and adjust the dimensions on the sticky note so that the entire content of my image is being made visible. And you can go ahead and organize the sticky notes on your desktop based on your own preference, I guess. So this is how I would like my sticky notes to appear. Okay, so now let's say I close the sticky note by clicking on the X on the sticky note. I'm still able to retrieve the sticky note again. So what I will do is head towards the sticky note icon on the taskbar, right click and click on Notes List. So when I click on Notes List, it opens up this window which provides an overview of all your sticky notes. So if I scroll down, I'll be able to see that sticky note that I just closed. If I double click on it, it will be back on my desktop. So closing a sticky note is different from deleting a sticky note. Yeah, when you close, it will still be available, or you'll still be able to view it on your notes list, and when you double click, you can actually put it back on your desktop. So the notes list window basically provides an overview of all your sticky notes on your desktop, which is especially useful if you have a lot of sticky notes on your desktop. Okay, now let's say you want to delete a sticky note. Head towards the three dots icon on your sticky note, click on it, and there's a delete note option. Just click on delete note to delete it. Okay, so to hide all your notes, right click on your sticky note icon and click on hide all notes, and all your notes will be hidden from your desktop, so it's a clean sheet on your desktop at the moment. So to show all your notes again, do the same thing, right click on sticky notes icon and click on show all notes, and all your notes will be back on your desktop. Okay, don't forget to pin your Sticky Notes app to your taskbar. All you have to do is head towards the Sticky Notes app on your taskbar, right click and click on pin to taskbar. So this will allow you to easily access your Sticky Notes app each time you guys on your computer or laptop. And another way to create open a new note is to right click on the Sticky Notes app icon and click on new notes. So this is just another way for you guys to open up a sticky note on your desktop. So I'll also show you all guys now how you all can go about deleting the note, because just now I just showed you very roughly. So click on the three dots icon, your sticky note, click on delete, this window pops up, just click on delete again. So in that case, your sticky note is deleted, meaning it will not appear on your notes list as compared to if you closed your sticky note. So if you open up your notes list, you'll see that that sticky note is no longer there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, one more thing, another way you can actually open up a sticky note is to click on the plus sign on your notes list window. So there's just various ways of opening up a sticky note. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So if you found this tutorial useful and like to see more such tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.